Every OfferingTree account comes with the option to build your own website, and every website has to have a homepage. With OfferingTree, you can edit your homepage. You can also edit another page if you want to replace it because you're changing up a few things, and change over that draft page to become your homepage. And you can also duplicate your page and work on that as well. In this example, let's just simply look at our homepage and edit it. You can go through different sections and apply any changes you want to add to this. But let's say you want to create a new feel to your page and you're not ready to edit it in real life as well as save the changes before you're 100% sure that you want to use that for your website. So what you could do is you can work on a page and then later on you can change it. So we are editing this homepage to become our new homepage, and you'll notice that we are changing it up a little bit more with the colors, with the flow of the page. It's not going to be the same as our current homepage. Once we feel we're ready to set this as the new page, let's go back to the homepage row and then click on Actions and choose Use Another Page as the home page. And here we can find that actual page, which was the Ivory Rouge Home 2. Once you selected it, you can set it as the new homepage. Don't worry, when you set this, your old homepage won't disappear. It will simply be saved as a old homepage at the bottom of your website pages list, and you'll be able to change this back or edit this as well.